When I was introduced to conscious manifesting, I faced my biggest mental struggle. A question that definitely pops up in your mind every now and then. It is very common, whether you are following Neville Goddard's teachings, the law of attraction, or any other manifestation-related teaching. You are confused about it, and I can relate to that because I was in the same boat as you are. The question is, how can I assume my desire has been fulfilled when it is not visible in my physical reality? Or how can I believe that I already have my desire when I don't see it right now? Everyone keeps on telling me that you already have it, but I don't see it, it's not there. Do I have to become delusional, or do I have to fake it till I make it? I know you have experienced it. Don't worry now, I am here. I will try my best to clear these doubts of yours. Do you have to be delusional? The answer is no. You don't have to be that way. You don't have to view this law from the point of view of being delusional or faking it. Neville has talked a lot about feeling of the wish fulfilled. He has also written a book, Feeling is the Secret, that you can check out at the link I provided in the comments section. Neville says, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and continue feeling that it is fulfilled until that which you feel objectifies itself. Now, what is the feeling? Some call it the naturalness of having your desire, and some relate it to emotions. This is not about right or wrong, because even if I empathize with you, I can relate to your emotion, but I will never feel the same way you do. When two individuals are in love, their feelings towards each other are pleasant. Some experience calmness. Some experience intensity. There is a wide range of emotions involved that helps you develop the feelings. No one can feel the exact same way that I feel or that you feel, but we can relate to it. The main point is that your feeling of wish fulfillment is a unique experience to you. The feeling is always an inner experience. That's why it is unique, and no one can exactly know about that. It is your own wonderful, unique experience. Your feelings are dependent upon your inner self. We have been raised to believe that physical objects can give us feelings. Shopping will make you feel happy. Buying that new car will make you happy. I'm not going to say it doesn't. Of course it makes you happy. Who doesn't like to wear new clothes? It gives us confidence, but you'll agree with me that it's very fleeting. Before buying that cool gadget, we believe that once we get it, we will feel happy. The same thing happened to me. I have been using an Android device for a very long time. I thought to buy an iPhone 13, and I was very excited when I ordered it and when I got it. But afterward, it just hangs out with my other Android phones in the drawer. The excitement was short-lived. This made me realize a very beautiful thing about us humans. When viewed from a third-person perspective, the objects are simply tools designed to perform specific tasks. Like the car was invented to travel long distances in a short time. Mobile devices were invented so that we could communicate with someone who was not present in proximity. All objects have some role to play in our lives, yet we attach feelings to them. If you look closely, this is the problem that we face, attaching a feeling to those objects. We believe that once that person is with us, we will feel happiness and love. Once I get the money, I will feel safe and secure. We are constantly living in these illusions that make us believe that by having something we will feel something, which is a lie. A lie to get you to buy that beauty cream. A lie to get you to buy that merchandise. Anyway, you can check my store to buy the Zodiac-style mugs. They were designed by me and are present on my YouTube channel page in the store tab. So, what I was saying is that the feeling is always your inner experience. It is always dependent on you and never on any physical object. You can feel loved, and you have felt loved even before that person was in your life. The love is not there because of them. The love is there because of you. You are the one feeling and experiencing that lovely emotion. Your inner man is the one feeling those emotions. You don't have to fake it. It is there inside of you. Those who are attempting to manifest their ex-partners. I have one simple question for you. I know you love them, but what is your dominant feeling? Is it the feeling of love or the feeling of wanting? When you want something and imply that you don't have it, your inner world is filled with that feeling and is manifesting in your outward experience. The physical world is a mirror of your inner world, or your inner experience. Religions have most likely taught you that God knows everything and is watching everything. You have to be authentic to God. God is inside of you. God, on the other hand, is the inner man who notices everything you feel and manifests it in the physical world. You have to accept that you are that inner man, and you have to be authentic in your inner world. You have to be certain that you are experiencing it inwardly. You must live that moment internally, rather than pretending or faking it in public. You run after symbols for those feelings, but you never get them. Even if they hand you millions of dollars, no one can make you feel safe. The feeling is developed internally. It is your inner journey. Delusions are created by misinterpreting the law. The law never instructed you to feel with the aid of external objects, but always instructed you to feel internally in order to experience it. The way you can feel it is to always use the power of your imagination. Don't you feel love just imagining them? Don't you feel love just thinking about them, fantasizing about them, and making up imaginary stories about them. So, once you understand that physical reality is a reflection of your inner world, or that your inner experience manifests outwardly, you will get the answer to this question: how can I assume my desire has been fulfilled when it is not visible in my physical reality? You don't have to see it. Close your eyes and drive that car in your imagination. Hold that steering wheel, feel the leather cushioning, feel the cool air coming out of the air conditioning, and experience the music that is being played. Does this give you a certain feeling? Yes, that is the feeling of your wish being fulfilled that you just now experienced, even without the physical evidence of that car. Just stay with this feeling. Now, how do I stay with it? Just visit it in your imagination, explore it, and return to it multiple times during the day, just like you return to your house every day. Close your eyes, hug your specific person, feel their warmth, touch their body, feel their hair, listen to their voice, and stay with it. Visit it multiple times during the day. Your imagination will help you believe that you have that desire even when you don't see it with your physical eyes. The only man you have to satisfy is your inner man, and it doesn't need physical symbols, it wants feelings. And feelings are dependent on you. With this, I would like to end today's video. I hope you got the clarification. Use your imagination to experience that which is not present physically. Use it to feel it. Subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.